Hey, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Python's Esky module. Basically, you can use it with py2exe, py2app, cxfreeze, or bbfreeze to auto-update your applications and stuff. This is just basically a tutorial. Things you'll need like a web server. You'll need Esky itself. You can download it here. You need the web server. I'll show you later. You need you need to install Esky, and to do that you just download it from the website and you extract the zip or tar.gz anywhere, and you just do python setup.py install, and it should install it. It takes a very small amount of time for me because I've already installed it. And so what I did was made a folder called compiled where we're gonna put our exes and stuff in. Example, that's the main.py type thing, and setup.py, that's well, I'm gonna restart this except for imports because I forget those all the time. So I've done this tutorial about 5 times so far. Oh, if I didn't already say, you're gonna need an FTP client. I recommend FileZilla or Smart FTP. I like those. They're pretty good. And an IDE. You can use Notepad. You can use Notepad++. You can use Genie, which I'm using. I like it. You can use anything that its files. So first things first, we're just gonna do print hello world because that's the basic for anything. And we're gonna get the if it has the attribute system and frozen to detect if it's like in an executable file, or if it's like if it's not, print you are not running the executable. And but if it is, we do app or whatever. Basically we just initialize the Esky class, and we do sys.executable, and we specify our web server here. And the sys.executable, that's basically where we're running our executable and the path and stuff, I'm pretty sure. I'll look it out later, but my web server is ttips.comly.com. It's using 000 web host, and you have to initialize the auto update function definition, because if you don't, it won't update. Print updating complete if it had an update. Starting update. It's pretty easy with Esky. Let's move on to this. This is like the setup we're about, and this is how are you distribute it and stuff. Setup. I'm gonna initialize the setup class. What you need to put in this, you need to put in your name of your stuff. Let's just name this Esky Hello World. You need a version so it can like check for versions and stuff on your web server. This will be 0.01 because it's the first. You need to specify scripts. That's where what your files are. We're doing example.py because that's our main file that runs everything. You need options. That's a dictionary. You need to specify, it's in every setup, I'm pretty sure. It's beatist Esky, and then you do that, and then freezer options. No, freezer module, and you do py2exe. Freezer options, And this is another dictionary, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna do that. Compressed, I put that to 2. You can do like other stuff like data bundle and stuff to include your files or set the icon. But I'm just doing what's the optimized is true. That's it, I'm pretty sure. But let's say we made a mistake, like we didn't mean to put something in, like hello, like we misspelled world or something, or how do you misspell world? Like, just instead of world, you put like the keys next to it or something on accident, but you already run the setup, and I always forget the commas every time. Okay, my mouse stopped working for a second. Wait, what? Freezer module? Hold up. Okay, so I just like reformatted it a little bit and stuff, so it should work now. There we go. That's good. You just need to wait for it to zip. What it does is it zips and it optimizes it. There you go. Yeah, it's 1:10 a.m. where I live now because I've done this like 5 times. So you upload it to your web server and you wait for it to upload and you distribute it. I don't suggest via the zip. I only suggest you put that on the web server. I suggest you do that like via installer or something. And I'm gonna put this into compiled. No, not build. And we're gonna run it. Oh no. We misspelled world and it doesn't pause. That's not good. So what we do is we change it to 2. We add any code we want. I'll just put pause and fix that and give a shout out to Esky. Thanks Esky for making updating easy. And now you need to remember to change that or else everything will get messed up. Well, I don't know exactly, but I messed everything up because I uploaded the wrong file and stuff and it didn't update correctly and stuff. It's good. No, FileZilla. Open. Oh, open. Just. Thank you. Now we just need to wait for it to load. And there it goes. And now we just run it again. And it's not updating. Why is it not updating? Why is it not updating? What did I do this time? Why is it not updating? It's at, oh, wow, I'm so smart. I'm great. Now I need to mistype it again, just, I don't even know how to retype it again. And we just hashed this out. And now we just need to delete everything on the file server. And that's great. Yes. And now we have to reconnect because FileZilla does that for some reason. FileZilla staff or whatever, if you're watching this, whenever I try to delete anything, it disconnects me. Please fix that, as it gets annoying. Now we gotta reset it all over again. Thank you. Thank you for my careless mistakes. Thank you, Lord, for making me with all my careless mistakes. So I have to waste the viewer's precious time. I feel sorry for you, viewer. Wait, did I? Now it's gonna make problems. When was that last? 114? Okay. Yeah, it's 114. And now we just distribute that to the quote client unquote, which is me. Even though I'm also the server, I can be the client. I'm multitasking. I'm the server and the client right now. I don't know how much skill it takes. Yeah, I made this because there are tutorials in the source code, but I didn't really like them. So I just looked at the source code and just wanted to make my own. I have a way better application using Esky. Better than this. So now we have to unhash these out and fix that. And then set it to 2 and just do that. And then, oh no, it doesn't pause, so the viewer can't see me misspell. The client can't see me misspell that one word. That's horrible. We need to update it as fast as possible. And now let's just run it again and hope that I did it correctly for once in my life. Oh my gosh, it's starting the update. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, 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 wow. Updating complete. Now it should pause and it should not misspell it. There we go. Hello world. Thanks for Esky for making updating easy. Goodbye. I hope you like the tutorial. I plan on making more module tutorials, not actual Python tutorials, in the near future. So, yes, just stay tuned to the channel or something like that. Bye.